Welcome to Lawn Tips with Lou.
Okay, the winter freeze is over, the ice is mostly melted away, so now it's time to trim the trees. Okay, to trim the trees, I'm going to be putting my pole saw attachment onto my string trimmer. I'll also be using my chainsaw, and where I'll need it, or if I need it, I'll be using the pruning shears, the electric pruning shears that I bought last summer.
In my last video, I trimmed my roses and my crepe myrtles. I didn't get my trees trimmed because there was an ice storm approaching. Now that the ice storm has passed and most of the ice has melted, I can now get to my trees. The ice quickly frosted the remaining foliage off the roses. The winter had been very mild prior to the ice storm coming through. The roses had a lot of foliage yet prior to the ice storm. In most years, the foliage would have been gone by this time of the season. But even after trimming, the roses still had foliage. But the cold weather and ice took care of the foliage until spring, when it will come back. I trimmed the trees in my front yard as well, but I didn't take the time to record trimming those trees. We're about a month away from when I'll do my spring scalping of my Bermuda lawn. There are a few lawns in my neighborhood that have been scalped already, but I like to wait until closer to mid-March to scalp my lawn. By then, there are usually a lot of Bermuda sprigs popping through the dormant Bermuda. At that point, when I scalp the lawn, the Bermuda is in a growth mode, and the lawn tends to green up very quickly after scalping. Thanks for watching this episode of Lawn Tips with Lou, and I'll see you next time.